Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a weekly speed cleaning video. Guys, I had about 2 different days here and I had to get so much cleaning done within an hour time frame each day, and you're going to see me rush through, try and get it all accomplished and get my house a little bit in order. I'm not doing any real deep cleaning or any real organizing in this video. I'm going to go ahead and tidy up the house so that it is presentable for the week. If you've seen some of my other videos, welcome back. And if you haven't and you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of 2. I do cleaning, organizing, DIY, and a little bit of design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy, I'd love for you to check out my channel, take a look at some of the other videos, like, and subscribe. Also, if you have any recommendations, suggestions, feel free to leave a comment.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be
I'm using the Pink Stuff multi-purpose cleaner to go ahead and wipe down the countertops. Now, this cleaner actually smells really good. This is a fairly new product that was, I believe, imported into the USA. You can now find it in many of the stores. I will have this linked in my Amazon storefront as well if you want to take it out. And with this week's cleaning, our house was honestly very disastrous. Sometimes during the week, life gets really busy and our house just gets cluttered. And in reality, I just need to spend like a good hour to quickly, and I mean speed, clean through and put things away. And that's what I am doing. And our before and after is so dramatic.
all night long. We're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've
One area of issue typically is the kids' toys that kind of clutter the house, and when they don't put the toys away, it just gets everywhere and becomes really messy really fast. They have, however, been reminded throughout the week to clean up after themselves, so they are being a little more cognizant of it and they're doing a little bit better on that. I do hope that when we finally do buy a house, that we can buy a house with larger closets in the kids' rooms. That I feel like is really important to me. That way they can have their toys stored away in the closet, or that we have a really nice play area, playroom with a door that I can shut. So out of sight, out of mind.
been out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane.
So the one thing that I bought for Black Friday was this Dyson V11 vacuum. And now if you watch some of my older videos, I do have a Shark stick vacuum, but it is corded. And I really didn't think this purchase through with the Dyson. I'm like, I only had a few minutes to decide. It was Black Friday. I thought the sale was going to be ending soon, and I pulled the plug and I did it. And I have to say, this has got to be the single greatest purchase that I have made. And I have this linked in my Amazon storefront as well. And to think that a cord can make it so much more time consuming just like baffles your mind, but it really is so great to have a cordless vacuum. My house, my entire house can be vacuumed, like an entire floor, in 5 minutes. And I'm talking from A to Z, each and every nook and cranny. And I'll run upstairs and I have another 5 minutes to vacuum the rest of the house. And it is phenomenal. Totally recommend this Dyson stick vacuum. I understand it is a little bit of a splurge. It was a splurge for me, but it has been the greatest splurge that I've had till today.
And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I'm trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I'm trying to show you, but somehow feel I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I'm trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I'm trying to show you, but somehow feel I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I'm not trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Everywhere. I'm no longer going away. Right on mistletoe.
This is day number 2 of speed cleaning, and today my upstairs had just become messy and cluttered, even though I cleaned probably a week ago. But we've started getting in a lot of packages, Christmas gifts and things like that. We've had a ton of mail, a ton of Christmas cards come in, so things have just been kind of all over the countertops. I do have to wash all of my daughter's bedding, and then I have to go into my son's room and wash all of his white bedding, so like the pillowcases. But I'm gonna run through basically upstairs, organize everything, put things in the place that they belong. I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of the Christmas gifts, the boxes, throw the boxes into the yard. My husband, when he gets home from work, he's going to go ahead and break them down and put them into our recycling. But yeah, definitely it's going to be a difference from the before and after as well up here.
I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all the nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess what shapes that go together? Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all the nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm coming home. Yes, it's true. One more Christmas to be.
If you're enjoying this video so far, I would be super grateful if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, or even left a comment. Any engagement helps push the video out further. It also encourages, it's so much more encouraging when you get your video pushed out to continue on these videos. So like I said, any engagement I'd be super grateful for.
No, I will never leave you on Christmas Day. So hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Hold on, Santa. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only
Does anyone else have a ton of packages coming in for Christmas? I feel like a lot of the deals have been a lot better online, and it's just been so much easier to have it shipped to the house. And that's what we've been doing. We've been just kind of going through around. I'll go to the stores with my kids and I will have them look at things that they like. I'm going to go ahead on my phone and just add it to cart and have it shipped to the house, and it is their Christmas gift, but I know exactly what they want and what they like. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas video.